Guys, why am I so crazy about buy and hold real estate? Well, I'll tell you why. I firmly believe that you can make money buying and selling real estate, but you can grow generational wealth with buy and hold real estate. I'm going to explain more what I mean. But first, I'm Jen Rowlands, real estate investment educator, advocate, and broker at One Focus Property Management. So what's the difference between buy and sell and buy and hold? Well, it's in the name, essentially. So when you own a property for a shorter period of time and truly you're looking to either do value add or you've speculated in some way, you make your money on that deal on the transaction. You buy low, you sell high. All right, and buy and hold. Well, that's exactly what it sounds like. You buy that asset, you hold it, you operate it, and you make money on that while retaining the asset over a long period of time, particularly through several real estate cycles. That's where you start to get some appreciation, which is just one of the 5 ways that real estate pays you, right? And so that's the premise, the difference, right? Of course we can make money buying and selling real estate, but when we do that, we are taxed pretty heavily. We have transaction costs. There's a lot of cost to that. When you look at buy and hold, now I'm getting full advantage of the tax advantages. I'm getting leverage. I'm getting depreciation. I'm getting so many amazing benefits. Here's why some people are sour on buy and hold. Because they have to live with the consequences of their decisions, and they sometimes don't know how to operate it through all of the things that hold period might bring them. And so that can be a disadvantage to somebody who's maybe not knowledgeable enough to manage that asset to its full effectiveness. Now, what's generational wealth and why am I so hung up on that term? Well, generational wealth is so crucial because in communities like mine, I'm in North Central Pennsylvania. I cover several counties here, but these are tertiary markets. These are small markets. They're blue collar. And I always say, I'm not getting out of bed every day to make rich men richer. I certainly am not. I am working for my friends and family and people in this community who the money they make with their buy and hold real estate investments is creating generational wealth. And by that, I mean each generation is going to live differently with more freedom and opportunity than the last one. I don't think any of us have children who are going to be, living just simply off the interest of an estate and pursuing their passions all day and never working for a dollar. But using my family as an example, I had grandparents who, to use a metaphor, kind of crawled, right? But they really provided for my parents who did tremendous things. And if they crawled, my parents walked, and they walked fast. And by gosh, they gave my sister and I an incredible start in life to now where we both get to work as entrepreneurs in a business that we're passionate about, where we get to bring our values to the market and show people that you can make a profit and hold your values dear. Now that is the kind of freedom generational wealth brings. And real estate plays a role in my family story, and it might play a role in yours. So when I think about buy and hold real estate, creating generational wealth, those are the stories I think about, and that's why I get so excited about it. So if you're wondering how you can become a client of ours, just call us, email us, hop on our website, let us know you're interested, and we'd love to talk to you about how we can support you in that buy and hold investment journey.